one. This one. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's still. It's all disappeared. I wish I knew how to include people in this chat, in the video chat on Telegram. It's not. I don't know. So weird. Maybe it's because. Anywho, let's just crack on. Sebentar. Hey Ghost, how you going? Just gonna do some random trading. Hope it So I took the data from the premium gambles that Totti put together, and I can't actually utilize this Excel spreadsheet because I don't know, Microsoft Excel doesn't work for me on Mac, so I threw it together in this ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to put together some strategies. And interesting. Average market percentage increase after the call 1,186%. Average max percentage decrease after call -60. Average buys in the first 5 minutes 277. Average sells. Potential patterns, high initial liquidity 130k. That's not actually Solana. I'm pretty sure the number is market cap is 130,000. So initial liquidity of 130,000 for market cap premium gambles that hit 1.2 million in market cap. So 130k. Winning tokens show strong early buy pressure. 277 buys in 5 minutes. Total volume in first 5 minutes often exceeds 250,000. So this isn't Sol. For some reason ChatGPT thinks this is Solana. It's actually thousands. Price usually surges 416 on average in the first 5 minutes. Significant retracements, negative 60 on average, indicating profit-taking behavior. So I asked it to give me filters based on the data set and the analysis. Liquidity filter, 100,000, sorry, not Sol. Minimum liquidity, 100K or more. So optimal range, 100 to 150K. Reason winning trades tend to have sufficient liquidity to sustain early price movements without excessive slippage. Buy pressure filters, first 5 minutes. Minimum buys, first 5 minutes, more than 50. Optimal range, 100 to 300 buys. Reason higher buy pressure in the first few minutes suggests strong demand and potential for upward momentum. Total trading volume, first 5 minutes. Well, that's 5-minute volume. That's 70K or more. Optimal range, 100 to 300. Ensures token is active trading and enough liquidity to sustain a pump. Price change, first 5 minutes, or price change for the last 5 minutes. 40% or more. Optimal range, 100 to 500%. Reason tokens show initial strong movement tend to have momentum for profitable exit. Minimum max percentage increase after call, 350%. So maximum drawdown risk filter, minus 80. Optimal range, minus 50 to minus 80. Tokens drop less than 80 after their peaks, show resilience and stability, avoid extreme rug pulls. Time since migration at call, migration time since migration, minus or less than 300 minutes, 5 hours. Early trades perform better. Before liquidity dries up, of course. Final strategy. Trade only tokens that meet at least 5 out of 7 of this criteria. Prioritize high liquidity, strong buy pressure, and price surge. Exit strategy. Consider taking profits when the price is up 3 to 5x from entry, as retracements are common. Would you like me to find these in? So that's interesting. Where's my So here's Premium Gambles. So this is ChatGPT's analysis of the data. Why not have a crack at this? Probably gonna have to go and trade with, and not sure. Might go DSB actually. So let's just figure out what this means. 100K to 150K for liquidity. So liquidity, 100,000. Let's just go higher anyway, just to get the tokens in there. Buy pressure, 5 minutes buys, 100 to 300. 5-minute buys, 100 to 300. Total trading volume, 100 to 300k. So volume. Hmm. 5-minute volume. Trade with. And then price change 5 minutes, 100 to 500%. Price change. Historical maximum percentage increase before taking profit. So anyway, maximum drawdown risk. Yep, got that. Time since migration. So I'm going to run this through TradeWiz, and I'm going to test this strategy out, and we're going to see, give this 24 hours and see how it runs. So that's interesting. Now, for those who might be watching this, don't know what this is the scraper bot we have for our premium channel, the DJ Meme Calls premium channel, which scrapes our calls on our channel. And we can scrape multiple different types of calls: bonding curve, dex paid, CTO, king of the hill, all these calls. We've got a premium gambles call, 1.2 million market cap or more. And now I've created these filters based on ChatGPT, because so many people on X just love to sprout about how great ChatGPT is and giving them strategies. So let's find out if it's any good. I don't need meta filter. So I think that's set. 1, 2, 3. I got 4 filters there. I can't really filter for that, but that just tells me when I should take profits. But we'll see how accurate that is based on the data from Totti that Totti is collected for the premium gambles. So turn on premium gambles. That's running. So also got CTO working as well. Now CTO, I have currently working on some filters, and I'm also collecting some data on CTO and trying to find the best filters for that. I'll give you a quick look at this anyway. This is a little... I've just started doing this with CTO calls, and I'm just collecting the calls data manually, just really simple stuff. And I'm trying to collect a score. I'm trying to create a score based on the data and based on the results from the calls. So I want to create a score, or put together a score which correlates with the gains that are made on these tokens. Now, the ones that are in the green are the ones that I've actually traded from my filters, and these ones that are blank, not green, I haven't traded. See, one here I missed 358%. So I don't know. I want to find a score, or create a score that tells me the potential likelihood of a token having profit. So far so good with the filters. There's only been really one or a couple of, 1 or 2 trades that didn't really make profit. 26% probably not very good either, but most of them have been pretty good. So I'm going to keep working on this filters, and another bad one there. Another 24 hours and I'll probably have something put together for that. And then once I have those, a little bit more data, I'll be able to look at that and create a scoring system. So obviously this is percentage wise. So we could change this to percentage. And so obviously out of 100 is higher. The closer you get to 100, the better the score. So It's not quite there yet, because obviously 63%, 27% increase is not correct. So, but anyway, that's what I'm working on for CTO calls. And we'll see how this pans out. CTO filters and premium gambles. So I'm running some test trades, 0.01 to see how those work out. And then we'll go from there. So I want to have a look at that didn't work out, did it? So I've got Fasol bot running here in the background. I'm going to do some scalping on some launching tokens in a minute. But first I want to have a look at the DGen wallet checker and see how that's going. Yeah, it's annoying. So we've got some advanced search features for the Vault now. First time I will be using these advanced features, so hopefully I don't screw this up. Advanced Vault search. So we got now an advanced Vault search. So now we can check, we can set these minimum maximum values. So I guess we can do Solana, 1 sol, max sol, I don't know, whatever it needs to be, 200. As long as it doesn't give me 0 results, the wallets that have 0 sol. Win rate percentage. So let's go with 55 minimum and go 75, 60. So it's pretty strict filters there. P&L, I guess we can go with just want to get as many wallets as possible. ROI percentage, so let's go with 25 minimum. Trading period, let's go with 10 as the minimum. Maximum of 50 days. Total trades, let's go with minimum of 10. Maximum of whatever, it doesn't matter. Average duration, it's 5 minutes. Average invested, I don't know, 0.1. Let's go to 10. Average buys per token. Let's go 5. Snipes, 5%. to 15%. Average buys per day. Let's go with 2. Sold more. Actually, that's 0. Snipes 0. What median first market cap buy? 20,000. That's weird. Can you guys hear me? You can hear me now? Right. Let's have a look at these wallets. Okay. I just threw a couple of dollars on some of these plays here. So Bob is already pumped up. So Bob is on the way to graduation. So 12% up on that one. So the whole point doing these trades manually is really to get experience on finding what is considered a good token to trade on, you know. And it becomes a lot easier when you do it more often. That's for sure. So I'm just going to browse through these wallets that we found. Found 4 wallets potentially to copy trade. So let's have a look. See if they're any good. Did I get into Cho already? Yes, I did. It's down a bit, but potentially could graduate. Angel, no. Bob, I'm already in. 199 for int. So there's no volume there for int. So let's have a quick look anyway. Int. Look at that. That is the most unnatural chart you will see. And when you see a chart like that, you're going to get rugged. You know for sure. Someone's using a volume bot or something. Attack. 22k. Interesting. Let's have a stab at that one. Looking pretty decent. Moving along nicely. $2.5 to max 5 minute. No, there's no volume there. There's plenty of traders. What about Aura? Doesn't look very natural either. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Mob's graduating, so that's cool. So these are the pump tokens, so you're not going to get anything higher than the graduation market cap, which is about 93k. So that means Bob is graduating. 5k for TF250, that's no good. Tack, I'm already in on that, so. So like I said before, looking for volume and time frame and holders or traders. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort it by market cap and then go through and look at the volume. There's plenty of volume there. I'm in Bob. Bob is graduating. Baron is a token that gets launched every 5 minutes, and people keep going in on that. But you'll see Baron is not natural. Oh, it is natural. It's different. It's a different one. So he's graduating as well. So Cho. We already did on Cho. Yes. No. Yes. Cho's about to graduate. So Bob has graduated, but is dumping down a little bit. Oh no, he hasn't graduated yet. Let's see. Oh, I've got the sell at 100%. Sorry about that. Might as well go back in. Anyway, tokens. Let's have a look at some wallets. So we've got some interesting market caps here. So great entries of market caps, but are the results there? 97, 66, 100%. Wow, doesn't look so great. 164% ROI. Might as well have a look at some of these. See if this works going in there. Yes. So we'll have a look at these trades. Just leave it at that. So you can see not a great entry, obviously. Just in that moment. So when he is getting wins, doing pretty well, but some really bad losses there. Really bad. Certainly got out early on that one. It's 1,000%. mean, he's getting in on some good market cap. What do you guys think? Do you think this guy's worth having a crack? I mean, he's definitely getting some good wins. But you might want to set a stop loss, maybe. It's not good. So I'll think about that one. What's this guy got? 42% ROI, 12 sold profit, win rate 68%. Oh, that's nuts. Good entries, market cap wise, nothing too low. That's what we want. Staying in. A couple of scalps there, 50 seconds, 14 minutes. Let's have a look at some of his trades. Stupid cop. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that looks rough. Careful. He's kind of made some profit there. Sorry about that. Might have been because I was using my headphones. Seems like good profit on this one. Wow. Missed some serious gains there. Wow. Look at that. You get in. 281k or 2.81 million. Maybe. Not 1.25 million. Gosh. It's down on some big gains there. Ooh. That's not much good. So some good ones there. Some not so good ones. It's alright, it's alright. So that's 2 down. This guy's looking interesting. A little bit too snipey and scalpy. Average duration 2 hours, but looking at those trade times, it's not the greatest. Getting a bit too low. Why would you? Holy dooly. 24 seconds. CJT, what was that all about? Look at that. Holy dooly. Trader X. One of my trades got into this today. If it's the right same one, I don't know. Probably not. It's like 385k, no? Is it 10x? Oh, that's just rocket fun. 7:12, 7:14, so 1.5 minutes. Right, it certainly pumped. Sure. Oh. 609, 611. Great. Man, that just went in the space of 24 seconds. Missed out on some great profits there as well. Yikes. I made some profits on that one. I mean, these wallets are pretty good, but this one's probably a bit fast, a bit too speedy. Last one. Office worker by day, degen at night. Well, you got to become a degen 24/7. Degen at 24/7. So this ROI is pretty low. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. And the market caps, not great. A few low market caps you'd want to filter out on that. 9, 13, 17. It's consistent, and the losses, it's only one big loss. The others are pretty insignificant. So 17 days, 53 tokens, it's made 14, 15 sol in profit. Just under a sol per day. Trading 2 times. Where are we? Well, it's quite a few times actually. You definitely want to filter that guy out. Make that filter about 50k. So still, it's not great. 80% there. Yeah, I won't be trading with that one. Okay. So I've got GMG out on the left and Fasolbot on the right. So let's just refresh that. Let's have another look here. Let's turn off Radium and just quickly look at positions. So none of those worked out. Bob has dumped. Actually, no, Bob has pumped 163k and bought in 56, but I forgot to turn off my take profit for 100%, so that didn't. Still have quite a few tokens there. So we'll see how good Bob can do. Still running. What else we got? Show didn't work out. Still thinking about it. Got in at 81k. It's now. He's also sold. Yeah, I need to make those my defaults. So good picks there, Joe and Bob. Let's have a look for some more. Soaring. Prompt Hub. Okay, market cap. So we're looking for volume, time frame, and holders. So great volume on prompt, which is, see that one, only 51 holders. Yeah. All I really want to do is practice finding good tokens and seeing what results I can get. Sniping tokens or scalping tokens before they graduate. Gake 16k volume, only 13 traders, so steer clear of that one. Cuban 13k volume, 33 seconds, 15 traders, and steer clear of that one. Dogo 2 minutes, 54k volume, 234 traders. Let's see if that's natural, that one. That looks pretty natural. A couple of big dumps there, but we'll see how that goes. Doggo. This Sol makes it pretty easy. Let's look at pumps here. Filter. So we're looking for don't care about top 10 numbers for now. Agency PTXD. I understand that. Completing, we'll just do it on completing then. Let's turn that off. Aura, not enough volume. 4K for Fiat, not enough traders. Astra 5K volume, not enough traders. 72K volume for Doggo, and I think might be about to graduate Doggo. So like I said, this is all about learning how to find good tokens and what makes a good token to avoid rugs or dumps. And obviously I'm not going into doing trench fund checks on these just yet. See, I don't understand why if I put that filter in 1,000 to 100,000, that just doesn't show me anything. Might as well not even have filters. It's weird. Angel. So Bob has not panned out. Cho starting to look a bit better. Unfortunately, sold 50% of my holdings there. About 0.01. It's not really about profit. It's about finding good tokens that are going to run to the millions. So. Yeah, Bob could be done. Just let that run. I'm going to try Photon. Scope. What's this one? No. Beans CEO. Or not enough. Control F. Ortizio, 36 minutes, 19,000 volume, 104. Let's have a quick look at that. It's kind of trying. Looks good. The Sol bot just makes it so much easier to just quickly go through the tokens that are trending, in my opinion. Let's have a look at these. And we'll go 75 holders. Volume, let's go 65. Don't need to worry about market. My bot holders. So that should be somewhat similar to what I'm looking at here. So hopefully. So 29k volume. So, but this has moonshot tokens as well. So we'll see. We'll see. Top 10, 25%. Control F is that one. Which I think I'm not in yet. Let's try that. Dev's holding 17%. Volume 35k. Top 10, 51%. Starfleet. What's that one doing? Bow. Why is Google search open? Oh, goodness. Yeah, that didn't work out so well, did it? That's good. Starfleet. Already got it under control F. Bob is back up. What's happening, Bob? He's trying. You never know, Bob. Star. %. 32K, 1 hour, 275 minutes volume. You know, I guess if I'm going to trade on these ones, I'm going to put some money in my wallet. Control F might be graduating. Yes. Control F is graduating. Let's see what that one does. 13K, 5 million. Top 10, 43% now. What's going on here? Zippo, 25K, 128. Graduating. Graduating. Let's see what happens with that one. Zippo. Star is interesting. 2,100. I can't get bundle trench radar to work anymore. Let's see how Zippo does. That's Zippo. It's not the same one, is it? Oh, it is. Yeah, that one's dumping pretty hard. Control F, 60K. That's already graduated. Beans CEO, 16 traders, no good. Did I go into Autistio already? Yes, I did. 14 at 52K. So it's trying. It's trying to graduate. It's getting there. FOMC, no. 3 minutes, 1K, 140. Kudai. No, that is not natural. FOMC. Fed 14K, 78. Marco 01. 410, that should be graduating. Interesting. That jumped up pretty high. 40. Control fart. No, that was no good. What else we got here? $63K rolling on that. 36 top 10. Shang. Whoa. Graduating. I think while I'm here, might as well get some money into the wallet. God, didn't work out so well, did it? Well, sometimes that happens. Right. That is a weird looking chart, that one. 26%. It's not really good volume. Well, Marco's doing wonders. Nasdaq Snake is rugged. It's great. Control Fart is trying really hard to do something. So is Zippo. We keep looking. Looks like Marco's going to graduate. Already 2x on that. Bob is 1.5x. But you know, I'm not looking for these at the moment. I'm just really trying to learn what is a good token, you know? So therefore, when I do decide to run some manual trades on these particular type of tokens, I have a lot more confidence knowing which one's to target. But so far, it's working out pretty good, you know? If I was to get in on that, you know, I bought at 33k, it's now 93, so it's a 2x, 3x, whatever. We'll see what happens after graduation. And if we go back to Bob, Bob's really trying to do something. Bob's coming back. 65k. Let's see what Bob can do. Looked at that one. Yeah, FETA didn't work out. Control fart. It's not really working. Zippo, same. What else we got here? Load. Seek. Well, I might as well have a look at some of these other ones. Let's go by market cap and we'll look at just above graduation. You know, 368k volume, 140k market cap, 336 holders. It's looking pretty positive. But I guess you should really look at some of the other details, you know. NASDAQ. I reckon that's got some legs. I reckon. Let's have a little dip. Potentially got some legs. Yeah, it's working out all right. Literally only 14 traders. Is there no sound again? What about now? Can you hear me now? Jeff is actually doing okay, you know. Let's give that a try. Okay, that's strange, but hopefully it's working now. Let's try and do take profit. Stop loss. Well, that is not looking natural, that one. 79 holders, 119. Taking guru. Is this thing for real? Seriously? Seek. I just don't think it's for real. 115 traders and 16 billion market cap. Obviously, it's not. Yeah, I don't think that's very real. That's not good. Obviously not good. Mr. Hiss. $104K 5-minute volume. It's interesting. No. No. 14K volume, that's interesting. 25%. Xiaobao. I don't know. Mr. Hughes. Come on, Jeff. Give me something. Give me something to be happy about, Jeff. Come on. Zhao. No, don't do that. Fed. Rock. First meme on rock. Okay. Silly goose. Oh, it's lovely. Capita is still trying. Fed is still trying. Aura. Rock. I believe that is that one. That is not good. Bundled. Silly goose. It's not good. Fed. It's definitely interesting. AI deep. Let's go, AI deep. Can't imagine that is a natural chart, but we'll see how far it goes. We shall see. Zhao Bao is trying. Jeff, not looking so good. Come on, Jeff. What are you doing? Goo. Okay, 11k volume. Goo. Goo. Beans go. Ghost. Xiaobao, Ped. F. Interesting. Slippage. Let's see what happens with that. Angel. Auto GLM. This might graduate. Shall see. Goo. It's not working out. Fed. It's interesting. How about did not work? Jeff is sold. So Jeff hit my stop loss. So you reckon me? It looks so good too. AI deep. Still going AI deep. AI deep terminal. It's really not natural at all. But look at these. Oh dear. 17% top holders. It's a Palm Fund token. Nope. Guess that's the radium pool. It's really looking interesting. Okay, Jeff. Why do you do that to me, Jeff? Seriously. Why? No, Dev. That's interesting. Oh, don't do that to me. Come on. Come on, man. No, Dev might have some legs. Oh dear. You just thought you'd dump down and touch my stop loss and then pump back up again. Isn't that just typical? So typical, isn't it? Now I've got a long way to go to make up for that. Good. A deep terminal. Certainly showing some form. Interesting chart. What else we got here? Kate Gurai, 11k volume, 26%. I can keep forgetting where the holders are in here. No, Dev's gone. I think it's about to graduate. That is not natural. come on, don't do that. It's not cool, man. Not cool. I'm gonna hit that again. Jeff, you're killing me. No dev. Man. Oh, gosh. So I'll take profit. Orders. Why can I not see? Oh. Aye. AI deep just keeps going, which is interesting. I can't get the orders to come up. I want to cancel that order. Not working for me. My holdings. Great. Jeff is down. NASDOG. Oh, it's great results. Can't get my orders to load. Oh, what's the deal with that? Guess I just have to live with that. Come on, Jeff, pick it up. Let's go, Jeff. Give me something. Give me something. Elon. Doesn't natural. Apex. I'll put in a long-term bid on that. Mr. Fuzz doesn't have enough. Goo is trying. FOMC is trying. Tag. So tag looks interesting. Could be good. No, Dev is still trying to get there. Jeff is... know what Jeff is doing. What are you doing, Jeff? Well, that didn't last long, did it? 21. I'm still thinking about it. Come on, Jeff. 300k my volume. Looking positive. Still can't do anything for my orders. Migrated, not yet. No dev. It's not looking good for no dev. And cake died. Great. DS Army. Moppy. Nope. Yeah, I don't know about that one. No volume in that. Tag didn't work out. That's interesting. 11k volume. Bundle. Yeah, indeed, just doesn't stop. So 1 million right now. So I'm just gonna leave that. See how far it goes. It's already 86%. So well, we need to get into the thousands. So first take profit 1,000. Second 2,500. So I might do a quick look for some grid trading opportunities while I'm here. Let's have a look. Yesterday. And if I don't enjoy much about the manual trading, I'll just default back to grid trading or copy trading. Pump in those wallets. See what happens. Jeff. I'll let that run. So what the 1 minute time frame? No, that's no good. That's all right. Agenda 47. 1.69. How far did it go? Looks pretty good, actually. Nope. It's kind of... It's not too bad. It's time to grind up. Shibon Sol. Friday AI. I might miss that one actually. Oil AI. Oye. No. So it looks like it's not too bad. Agenda. $1.5. You jump up to 3. Agenda 47. Let's give that a go. We want 3 million tops, 1,500,000 bottom. Is that going to give us? Not much. We need to go to Solana. What's the volume? 2,900. It's not great volume. %5 swing. Let's try 7% swing. Not sure if we're going to get much on this. It's not enough volume, so anywho, give it a try. 1.5. And 3. So we're really hoping that the grind up continues. And what we're doing is buying and selling in 7% swings. 0.182 per trade. And then we just watch that do its thing. Hopefully the volume picks up now, 5K, so we'll see. Jeff is really interesting. I mean, you could probably grid trade that as well, but it's too low. Anything else worth it? Let's look at maybe under 1 million. Try that. Don't normally go for the lower market caps, but we'll have a look anyway. Well, it's Spunk. Spunk is certainly doing interesting stuff. Seek 16Z, I already invested in that earlier today. Got anything positive here? Potentially. Nope. Wow. Definitely got some possibilities. Nitro. Seek. Spunk. Which one should I go for? I think I'll go for Seek. Oh, it's got the most volume. 38k. 87k. 6k. So let's head up to 2 million and go with 900k. 2 million and 900k. Obviously no good to that one, so let's change the swing size to 10%. 0.11. So 2,900,000. And let's hope that Seek continues to grind up. But the reason why I put that at 900k was if it does grind down, then we don't have too many potential buys before it grinds down. So let's get the wallet in there. No buys yet. What else have I got? AI47 is moving slow, so I may opt out of AI47 and go for Nitro, which I'm going to do. Stop stop that. Let's try nitro. Top market cap, 2 million. And low market cap, 550. 600. Swing size, 10%. 0.07. $154, and we'll start that. Let's put that in. It's 100K. And 2 million. You have 10% swings. So I have CX16Z and Nitro running. Let's see what happens with that. Here's a buy for Seek. Be just typical of me to start this at the top, wouldn't it? And then it just starts dumping down. That's why I put this bottom range so close. So it doesn't really matter. Not losing that much. There's not a lot of volume on that. Jeff, hello, Jeff. Thank gosh. Thank you, Jeff. Amazing. Let's go another one. Let's do a buy the dip. Okay. So 2 buys on that. AIT doesn't stop. 1.3 million. It's insane. Oh, it doesn't look natural. Hmm. I will be right back, guys. I'm just going to let that run. That's pretty funny. So that's dumped under that low section. I'll be right back. There it goes. Like I knew it would happen. What's going on? What is going on with that chart? That's so weird. Tried to sell. That's interesting. AI deep is not natural. Nitro and Seek both dumping. So is Jeff. That's weird. Zippo. Looks like Zippo has graduated. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right, mate. Definitely a rug pull. Yep. Some days are good, some days not so good. You know, I have good days with these manual trades sometimes. The old grid trading has been one of the best ones. And copy trading, obviously, does really well for me. So these are really more an experiment to try and learn a bit faster about what makes a good token, etc. And just getting a bit more up to speed with tokens and what's a rug, what's a good token potential. You know, there's some great tokens that I'm getting into that I can get 50% on quite easily. And you know, I'm just trying to figure out on the run. See, that's not working out. See, that's what I expected. So if the grid trade dumps down below my low range, then it's no longer going to buy. But because of the trend, these tokens are trending up, and I expect there to be some more movement in this direction and to get those buys sold. But it would just be my luck today that I start this grid trade at the top and they just keep dumping down. That would just be fantastic. Fed 500. No, that's no good. Goo is trying. Starting to get momentum. I already went in on Goo. It sold on me. There it is. Seek 16Z is going back up again. Back on the move. And I'll keep going in the right direction. Nitro, not so much. Waddle, 20k, 127 holders. Let's keep that a waddle. MIP. MIP is doing well. $190K, 245. Doesn't make a lot of sense. It's the fees. Come on, Nitro. Do your thing. Jeff, bounce, please. Jeff. Still got plenty of volume, but it's Nitro. Come on, man. Why you suddenly want to head in that direction? $1,000 buyers and 139 sellers. How is that? How is that not going up? Honestly. Then we go down again. Let's go seek, deep seek. Come on. Come on, Nitro. Let's get rid of radium. Mort. Whoa, dumper. Gosh. Bruce, hello. That's me. Can I invest in Bruce and maybe make some dosh? Let's go, Bruce. Did this thing go? 200K. Can I get that lucky? Can I be? Guess it's already graduated. 192K. The volume going through Bruce. Come on, good vibes. Yeah, let's get rid of Jeff. Sorry, Jeff. Bruce AI. Let's go, Bruce AI. Come on. Give me something. I love it. I knew there's a reason why I was staying up. Come on. 38% top 10, my God. That's funny. Seek is heading in the right direction. Nitro is not. Come on, Bruce. Come on. Give me a break. %33%. We need these guys gone. Bruce has got legs. These guys get out. Really? You sold on me? Really should turn that off. Come on. Give me something. Come on, Nitro. Jeez. Come on. Seek. Nitro's not going anywhere. Bruce is trying to wake up again. Oh dear. Glaze. Nira. Nope. Gas fees on Bullex. I haven't used Bullex enough to give you advice on gas fees on Bullex, but just go for 002 for gas fees, and if it doesn't work out, then just keep going up 003. But again, it depends on what you're aiming at, like what tokens you're trying to buy. If they're low market cap tokens with high volume, then you might need to increase the gas. So I always start with 002 for gas and go from there, depending on the tokens, of course. Another buy for a Seek. See, it would just be my luck right now that this is the top, right? Perfect luck. But I'm going to keep hoping that it's going to trend up. China. Peagle. It's not really much volume on that. Oh gosh, no. Glaze, no. Nearer. Just looked at that. No volume. Omni. No. Here we go. Come on, Nitro. Give me some love. Of course, I don't normally go for things under $1 million market cap. And this is the reason why. It's just too unpredictable. If you get a token that is 2 or 3 million market cap trading sideways, then that's very predictable. So usually more predictable. XYZ. Waddle. Waddle is trying. Trying indeed. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on, Bruce. Jesus. What are you doing, mate? You joke. Anywho. FOMC. Certainly is grinding up. Ayush. It's Baron again, 15 minutes. Literally every hour there's a new Baron token. And this one's got a lot more holders. Not a lot of volume. You can see that's not a natural chart, so literally every hour a new Baron token launches and rugs. Aura. Not enough volume. Rat. Enough volume. Yeah, it's just not good. Let's go Nitro. UF Pepe. Not sure about that. Give it a shot. $15K Ignitus. 12 holders. Meta. No. Golda. Ooh, that's yes, let's go. Nitro. So 585K, 656K. Doesn't have far to go to get the sale. Oh, come on. Seek. Don't be the top. Don't be that. Horde. Waddle Goo. Goo is doing something for me. Here we go. Now get to 10 million. If you don't mind. Waddle is still trying. Seek a higher price, please. Seek. Nitro is trying. How long's my session been going for? 3 hours. Let's have a look at Goo is running. Lambo. 10 minutes. Interesting. Missed that one. Nvidia. Dear me. XYZ. Gosh. I got up to 500k. Good run. Baba. The Baba. Oh, this is going to take a long time. I'm going to call it a night there. Somewhat unsuccessful. But we'll see how those little 101 trades go. See if I need to, or if I can scale up, take some other profits next time around. Goo is really running hard, so that's good. 300%. Well, that's good enough. I mean, if I was to scale up on some of these trades, I could certainly get some profits pretty quickly. But I really want to see with these small positions how far these trades can go. Obviously, we're getting, 10 tokens a day, probably 20 tokens a day that are doing decent gains from graduation. So you're talking maybe 5% of the tokens that graduate. And let's look at this week, This week's stats, that's only a few days old. Week, so many tokens hitting the $1 million mark, and then the month, this Vine is 286. And there's a lot of great opportunities to get some great gains there. So we'll let that roll. Maybe you'll see potential gains on this particular Goo If I get into the thousands, it would be nice. I've got some auto sells here. The 1,000 and 2,500. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe post that on the DJ Meme Calls premium channel. So we'll see. So those are my grid trading. I'll leave those running for a couple of hours. That's not going so well. Seek. You know, it looks like I've started at the top, so not so good. Nitro 2. We'll see if that can break up again. If it doesn't, I'll just dump them. It's not a big loss. That's just the way it goes sometimes with these grid trades. Some days both of the grid trades go well. Some days they don't. Good night, all. Have fun. And just as I say that, Nitro is going to give me a sale at some point. Seek is not. Seek is done. And Goo, I'll let you know in the channel, DJ Meme Calls premium channel, whether that got me my 1,000 and 2,500% gains. I guess we'll find out. Waddle's doing some stuff. Waddle is now running, so, you know, potential. There's potential there. Anywho, thanks for joining me. Have yourselves a good day, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. And hopefully the next live stream can be more profitable. We'll see, we'll see. Thanks again, guys. I shall talk to you soon. Go, you good thing. Go on, go. Yes, Goo, let's go. 400%. Nice. All right. Have fun, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, do those YouTube things. Appreciate you guys. That's my live session for today. Did quite a few things. Wallet checks, grid trading, manual trading, some scalping for Solbot. Hopefully they'll work out. See what happens. Well, grid trading's going to work out all right, I think. There you go, coming back again. All right, legions. See you soon. Bye for now.